Hello everyone, Borealis here. Today I'll be unboxing the Digipower mic up high performance compact microphone. So I just bought this today. So packaging. Yes! Now I should be able to just rip that pop off. Guess I'm just gonna. Then there's a little handle, which I'm gonna use as a little knife to peel the stuff off, which works. Did not expect that to work so well. And now alrighty, so we got Digipower, and there's the instructions, which I'll look at later. So first, we have the So it looks like we have the shock mount and things all in one. So let's pop this off. Here's the shock mount. Then I think the mic is here's the mic itself, and then we have the fluffy, amazing thing that just looks like a pom-pom, but that helps keep the wind out of your audio, especially if you're filming outside like I am, which you'll probably be hearing wind and cars and all that stuff. The carrying pouch, that's nice. Digipower. And then we have the phone stand. So let's peel this. I have like no practice with this whatsoever, so I'm no unboxing master. I'm just, So then it just stretches to fit more larger iPhones, and I'm guessing this you can attach to a tripod. Oh yeah, so now we have the cables. So we have one for a DSLR, a filming camera, and then one for your phone. So this is the phone one because of this. It's a 3mm female end adapter, I believe. And then this one, honestly, I like it so much. It looks so much nicer. This is for filming cameras. It's actually a nice red. On this, it advertises it as a very pink color. So I'm slightly confused by that, but honestly, don't mind the red. It's a nice dial back, not screaming at your face. There you have it, all the components for this. And there you go. You got your wind protector. So this is like way bigger than I thought it was going to be. So I'm definitely excited to use it. Alrighty, now I will construct I'll put it all together. So we'll first start off by putting the mic into the phone. Oops, I have it backwards. Or this part goes into it, since this part plugs into one of these cables, depending on what kind of camera you use. So there's the part that connects, and then we have the phone, the thing that holds it, the shock mount. So now it should look like this. There we go. Then you have it like this. It took me a few minutes to figure this one out. You also have to unscrew this. Otherwise, you will not be able to get that on. You have to put it in from this side too, with the beveled part. Then it slides in. Then you twist down the little circle, tightening it into position. And then you have this part which connects to your phone. Then you stretch it out, depending on what phone you have. And for me, I'll be using this cable since I'm filming on iPad, but still. There we go. And then you plug this end into your device, which would probably be an Apple or Android phone, or whatever kind of phone you use. And then the telephone cord style cable will be for your video cameras and DSLR cameras and things. And then it has a cute carrying pouch for transport. So there you have it. I will be doing a wind test since it is a bit blustery and there are cars driving by. So I will do a side-by-side comparison of with and without the mic. So let's do it. Alrighty, here is with the mic. I'm trying to talk directly into it, so yeah, it's a little bit windy right now, but not terribly, as you can see on the tree behind me. So now I'm going to do it without the mic, so it's just connected by this cable that runs to your phone or iPad or whatever device. And anyway, this is a really nice mic so far. I've been enjoying it. Honestly, I love this. It literally looks like a giant pom-pom that you'd have on like a winter hat, and I just love it. So anyway, I'm just gonna, sorry if that's hurting your ears right now. So yeah, and now I will do it without the mic right now. Alrighty, so otherwise this is great. The phone just slides on, and otherwise you would just connect it through via tripod or whatever it is, or even just holding it like this if you need a mic. If you aren't trying to directly film something, if you're just trying to record it, this works. Or even just without the windshield. I should also test it with just this part. So now I'm gonna plug it back in. This is it with the mic. This is what it looks like really without the thing. It has this without the fluffle. So this is like, it has this little grate, kind of like those microphones you see at concerts and things with the front part, but then there's these side bits. Anyway, so it's really nice. The red is beautiful. I hope it's showing up as nicely as it is on camera as it is in real life. It's a nice scarlet red, which is nice compared to the hot pink they advertised it. But otherwise, it's really nice. I like it. I'll have to test more of the audio quality myself for your DSLR filming camera or just video camera. Anyway, so quick overview. It comes with the cable, shock mount, the wind outdoor thing, and then there's the mic itself, the shock mount, the phone mount, the cables, the cable for your iPhone or Android phone or whatever type of phone you use, or for your DSLR filming camera or just video camera. So anyway, hope this was a great video for you guys. Hope you enjoyed. This has been Borealis. Peace out.